Here we are. Good morning. Sila po'y nangangarana po sa ating araw na ito dahil this is my special day. Full force po tayo ngayong umaga ito dahil bago po tayo aalis dito sa lugar na ito ay pupunta muna tayo sa Ocean Park dito sa Zambales o Subic.
I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you.
Okay, thank you guys!
Stars naman dyan!
Stars! Tama na. Thank you so much, my dear brothers and fathers, for your nice angelic voice.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you.
39 pa lang, grabe ka naman.
May the Lord God bless you. How old are you now?
Hoy!
Welcome to the 40s.
Hoy, wala pa! It's my 39th birthday. Well, I would like to thank you guys, my fathers and brothers, for your nice nice voice with this early in the morning. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah. It's a simple but meaningful. Thank you and good morning. Thank you. So, let's go. Let's eat.
Ay, hindi mo ligo.
Ayan oh, 5:32 na. Thank you, fathers and brothers.